Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this mesh popover pullover, and you could use this over garments for the summer or even over a little halter top, or you could even use it on the beach. To make this, you're going to work top down and you're going to make two rectangles, and then you're going to sew them together at the shoulders and the sides. And your foundation chain is going to be as wide as you would like to have your sweater to be in multiples of 3. And I worked with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down the video to a very slow speed by clicking the gear icon below the video. And you're going to begin your sweater with a foundation chain in multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 6th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double crochet. And that is going to take the place of a double crochet and a chain 2. Now chain 2, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip 2, double crochet. Chain 2. Skip 2, double crochet. Chain 2. Skip 2, double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip 2, double crochet in the last stitch. And that's how your first row is going to look. And now I'm going to work the next row. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch into that first chain 2 space, and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. And I'm going to make another double crochet in that same space. Now in every chain space across the row, I'm going to make a V-stitch. This will count as a V-stitch. So double crochet, and another double crochet. And that's a V-stitch. And I'm going to work all the way across the row, making a V-stitch in every chain 2 space. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. I'm going to repeat that across the row. Double, chain 1, and a double. Double, chain 1, and a double. At the end of the row in this space, I'm going to make my last V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and a double. Okay, so that's the second row. And now I'm going to repeat these 2 rows over and over. So this next row will be this open grid. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and turn my work. And I'm going to double crochet in the space between these 2 V-stitches. So in here, I'm going to chain 2, double crochet in the space between the 2 V-stitches. Chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet between the 2 V-stitches. And I'm going to repeat that across the row. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2. At the end of the row, skip that chain 1 space and double crochet in the 2nd stitch of that turning chain. So I'm just going to keep repeating those 2 rows. Turn the work, slip stitch into the first chain 2 space, chain 3, counts as a double crochet and a chain 1, double crochet in that same chain 2 space, and then in every chain 2 space across the row, I'm going to work a V-stitch, which is double, chain 1, and a double. I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row. And after I've completed this row, I will just repeat this row with the open grid. So you're just going to keep repeating those 2 rows, and that's how easy it is to crochet this open mesh. And you're going to make 2 rectangles, and then you're going to sew them together at the shoulders and the sides.